The topics we are learning can be thought-provoking, so discussing with your peers may help you really digest and grasp the material. Group discussions allow students to utilize their peers as a resource for learning, and the learning is symbiotic in a sense. When we engage in group discussion, we take the time to listen to others' understanding of the material to not only help fill in their gaps in learning, but also to fill in our own gaps as well. Group discussion just gives us a positive space to engage with the material and ultimately gives us a sense of community among our peers. In this video, you will see two students, Ali and Michael, discussing something that they learned in the previous video that we saw about how to create memory models using reference types. Carefully listen to their discussion as if you were a third student, because at the end of each video, you will be contributing to the discussion in any way you see fit. Either maybe explaining how you would agree or disagree with Ali and Michael, or adding any additional information they may have forgotten.
So a variable in Java gives us a way to store values for later use. A variable is essentially the name for a location in memory used to store that data value. All data types, both primitives and references, store data the same way.
Not exactly. Variables do give Java a way to store values for later use, but the computer stores values differently depending on data type. As indicated in this memory model, primitives can store simple data, but reference types do not directly store the values assigned to them. Remember, when declaring a reference type, a new operator instantiates a class by allocating memory for a new object. Here, the variable rover7 would store a reference to where the value resides in memory, rather than the actual data.